A one-size-fits-all solution for your money is not only reckless, it's dangerous. Here's why. In a one-size-fits-all plan, there are unfortunately too many variables that are not being accounted for within the plan. Important variables that will drive not only your money, but your overall life as well. Some of those include your income. Are you a single income household? Do you have two people contributing to the household, and how much? Expenses. What kind of expenses do you have? And are there adjustments and things that you can do to manage those numbers? Employer benefits. What kind of benefits are offered through your employer? Retirement accounts. Are they pre-tax? Roth accounts? Do they give a company match? And is there equity compensation involved as well? Do you have any dependents? Because they will need to be taken care of, not only now, but possibly in the future if you're not around. And how do you plan for their education if you want to help them pay for that? And your goals. What do you want to see happen? What does your family want to see happen in life? And what matters to you all the most? You see, every number that we went over, that number needs to be factored in. It needs to be accounted for. It needs to be accounted for not only within the context of your finances, but what you want to see happen eventually with your life. I mean, at the end of the day, the money is great, your account balance is great, but we're doing this so that you can live life the way that you want to, on your own terms. And this is why a one-size-fits-all plan is so dangerous and detrimental to you and your future. Because in those plans, it assumes that you are just like everybody else. You have the same situation, the same assets and liabilities, the same wants and needs as every other person that may have stumbled across that article or that video. But we all know that's clearly not the case. You are different than your neighbor, different than other families, so you need personalized help to reflect that. Some strategies that may work for others may not work for you, may not be even relevant to you and your situation, and vice versa. What works for you may not be beneficial to others as well. Again, your plan needs to be personal to you and your family, to what you want to see happen with your life. Do you have a personalized plan that takes into account all of those factors and variables that are personal to you, tied to you and the people that you care about? Or are you trying to get by with a one-size-fits-all generic plan that's not really going to help you out in the future? The choice is yours.